Hey everyone, it's Shakuntala, and today I want to talk to you about the one thing that separates those who dream from those who actually live those dreams: the invisible architecture of your daily habits. You see, so many people look at success as a sudden explosion, like a lucky break or a winning lottery ticket. But the truth is that success is actually very quiet, very disciplined, and built in the moments when nobody is watching. Living here in Thailand has taught me that the most beautiful things take time to grow, and your life is no different. You are currently the sum total of every small decision you've made over the last year, which means if you want a different result, you have to start writing a different equation today. It starts the very second you wake up. Do you claim your morning, or do you let your phone claim your mind? I want you to stop waiting for the right time, because the clock is always ticking, and tomorrow is a graveyard where the best ideas go to die. You need to understand that consistency will always beat intensity. It's not about the one day you worked for 12 hours. It's about the 20 minutes of progress you refuse to skip every single day, regardless of how tired you feel. You have to become obsessed with your own potential and realize that your current situation is not your final destination unless you choose to stop moving. Surround yourself with people who force you to level up. Protect your energy like it's your most valuable currency. And remember that every no you say to a bad habit is a yes to the future version of yourself that is waiting to meet you. But let's get real for a moment, because I know that even with the best habits, there are days when the weight of the world feels heavy and you start to wonder if all this effort is actually worth it. I want you to look deep into my eyes right now and understand that your struggle is not a sign that you are failing. It is actually the sound of your old self breaking away to make room for the person you are becoming. Most people quit when they are 90% of the way there because they can't see the finish line. But in life, the biggest breakthroughs always happen right after the moment you felt like giving up the most. You have to develop a mind that is tougher than your emotions, because your emotions will lie to you. They will tell you that you aren't talented enough, that the market is too crowded, or that you're too old or too young to start. But the truth is that the only person who can truly disqualify you from success is the person you see in the mirror. You have to stop seeking permission from people who have never even dared to leave their own comfort zones and start trusting the fire that is burning inside your own heart. Every single challenge you face is just a masterclass in resilience, and every failure is just a data point that is teaching you how to win smarter the next time around. Don't just work for the money or the fame. Work for the version of yourself that is going to be so proud that you didn't quit when things got hard. This journey isn't just about changing your bank account or your status. It's about changing your soul and proving to yourself that you are capable of doing the impossible. You have the seeds of greatness already planted within you, but you are the only one who can provide the sunshine and the water through your dedication. So take a deep breath, feel the power in your lungs, and realize that as long as you are still breathing, you are still in the game. The world doesn't need more people who are just getting by. It needs you to be fully alive, fully focused, and fully committed to your vision. Now, go out there and show the world exactly what you are made of.